Good afternoon, student. So in previous session we have completed 14.3 factorization method. So in that we have seen some examples on the basis of identities. We have solved that examples. Now we have our next topic, that is, can you find the error? Sometimes it happens in the algebraic expression. We are doing very silly mistakes, and because of that we are not getting the good marks in maths. So we just understand where the possibilities are there to make the mistakes. First you have 3x plus x plus 5x. Normally what we do, we have a coefficient of x here, that is 1 is the coefficient, but sometimes in a hurry we do not calculate that coefficient and directly we do the addition of 5 plus 3, 8x. In place of 8x, our correct answer is 9x, but in a hurry we are doing the addition of 5 and 3, and we see that there is no numerical value here written with x, so we ignore it. And directly we write 8x is equal to 72, x is equal to 72 by 8, which is equal to 9. So this is a wrong answer. So here is the possibility where we can definitely make the mistakes. Second, we have x is equal to minus 3 and we want to find the value of 5x. So what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of x in place of 5x. We have to keep the value of x, that is minus 3. So what we write? 5 minus 3. Okay. So what answer we are getting? Minus 2. In place of writing 5 minus 3, we have to write 5 in bracket minus 3. This bracket represents that 5 is in multiplication with minus 3. But if we don't write the bracket means we directly do 5 minus 3 will give you minus 2. So you will get the wrong answer. So this is the chances where you can make a mistake. Next we have 3 in bracket x minus 4. Now what kind of mistake maximum students are doing over here? They multiply 3 with x and keep minus 4 as it is. That is 3x minus 4, which is wrong. This 3 is out of the bracket means you have to multiply this 3 with each and every terms which are present in this bracket. Maybe it's 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, whatever terms, number of terms are there. With that we have to compulsory multiply 3. So what is the original answer? 3x minus 12. Next we have 2x whole power 2. Sometimes it happens we write directly 2x square, which is wrong because this is power 2 is for x also and for 2 also. 2 power 2, x power 2. So what is your correct answer? 4x square. Next we have 2a minus 3, a plus 2. So what we are doing over here? 2a we multiply with a, so we are getting 2a square, and minus 3 we multiply with 2, so we are getting minus 6. Example is over. Means we are doing first term with first term, last term with last term. Do the multiplication, your answer is ready. But this is the wrong way of doing. We have already done how to do the multiplication of two binomials. So this is the real answer. 2a square plus a minus 6 means this 2a will multiply with this whole bracket and minus 3 also multiply with this whole bracket. Then you have to do the simplification. Then you will get this answer. Next we have x plus 8 whole square. This is your first identity, that is a plus b whole square. But sometimes some students are writing what? X square plus x square, that is x square plus 64. But the correct answer is what? X square plus 16x plus 64. Same way they are doing with x minus 5 whole square. X square minus 25. This is your second identity. But few students are writing like this, x square minus 25. Correct answer is what? X square minus 10x plus 25. So these are the some algebraic expression in that basically many students are doing mistakes. So before doing any kind of mistakes, we understand which is the area where we can do the maximum mistakes. So these are the areas where students are making mistakes. So on the basis of that we have exercise 14.4. Let's do that exercise. Let's see one more example, that is Joseph does the division as a plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to a plus 1. What he did, this 5 will get cancelled 5 ones are 5, so directly we can write a plus 1, which is wrong. His friend series does. Now, his friend series has done the same division as a plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to a. What he did, he just cancelled 5 and he think that only a is the answer. Next, his other friend Suman does it this way: a plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to, he divides this denominator into both the numerator as denominator, that is a divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5, so that will get cancelled. You are getting answer 1. So this is the correct way. Who has done the division correctly? Obviously Suman has did the correct. Who has done incorrectly? This both Joseph and his friend series did wrong way, because we cannot cancel 5 because it is in the relationship with a as addition. If it is in multiplication, we directly can do the cancellation, but we cannot because it is a plus 5, not a into 5. Same way here also we can cancel if 5, which is not possible, because when you do the division 5 divided by 5, you are getting one answer. So that's why this method is also wrong way of doing calculation. Now one more interesting fact is that suppose you do the division of 64 divided by 16, what answer we are getting? 4 by 1. Some students will think like then 6 will get cancelled, so that we are getting 4 by 1, which is wrong. We know that 16 4s are 64. Okay, that's why we are getting the answer 4 by 1. Okay, it's not like that we cancel this 6 and this 6 so that we are getting 4 by 1. So many interesting facts are there. Suppose you are taking 664 divided by 166, that also gives you the answer 4 by 1. It doesn't mean this 2 6 and this 2 6 will be cancelled. This is a wrong way of doing calculation. Okay, now see our exercise 14.4. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So first one is 4 in bracket x minus 5. Yes, this is the wrong statement because 4x and 4 multiplied by 5. So in place of minus 5 we have minus 20. So this is the correct way, because 4 is outside the bracket, so it will multiply with x as well as 5 also. Next we have x into 3x plus 2. So this x will multiply with 3x as well as will 2. So 3x square plus 2x. X is missing over here. Then 2x plus 3y. We cannot do the addition and get answer 5xy. Why? Because x and y both are different variables. So we cannot do the addition because they are not like terms. Next, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, which is again wrong. 3 plus 2 plus 1. If x is alone, it doesn't mean it does not have any coefficient. We write 1, we do not write 1, but 1 is the coefficient of single x. So the answer is 6x in place of 5x. Next we have 5y plus 2y plus 5 minus 7y is equal to 0. Means 5 plus 2, 7. 7y minus 7y is equal to 0. But what about this y? This we have to include in the addition. So 5 plus 2 plus 1. So you are getting 8y. So it is 8y minus 7y which gives you 0. Next here we have 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x square, which is again wrong. 3 plus 2 is 5, which is correct. But x plus x means this x is a variable which cannot be written as x square. It is only x. Okay. Next we have 2x whole square plus 4 in bracket 2x plus 7. So what is your answer? 2x square plus 8x plus 7? No. Here 2x whole square means in place of 2x square we are getting 4x square. 2 square also we have to consider. Next we have 2x whole square plus 5x. So 4x plus 5x again which is wrong. 2 square is 4, but what about x square? So here square term should be there. So we do not get 9x answer. Next we have 3x plus 2 whole square. So this is your first identity. So first term square 9x square. So in place of 3 we have 9x square plus 6x plus 4. What about the middle term? It is 12x. 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12. We know that 2, 3x, 2. This is the middle term. So these two terms are written wrong ways, that we have to do the correction. Okay. Next we have substituting x is equal to minus 3 in x square plus 5x plus 4 gives. Let's see this we do in calculation method in the next video. Okay. Thank you.